The question wants us to convert a linked list representing a binary number into an integer. Let's create a variable of type string named s that we initialize to a value of an empty string. Then we will have an int variable named result set to a value of 0. While head is not null, we will convert the value of head to a string and concatenate it to s. Then we will set head equal to head's next value. Outside of the while loop, we will create an int variable named power that we assign a value of 0. After that, we will have a for loop that starts at int I equals s.length minus 1, runs while I is greater than or equal to 0, and decrement I by 1 each time. Inside of this for loop, we will add s at index I cast to an integer times 2 to the power of our result variable. Then we will increment the power variable. Outside of the for loop, we will return result. When we run the code to check our solution, notice that it is correct.